Have you ever wondered why it seems so difficult to talk with some people and so easy with others?
Can you recall an occasion where you met someone for the first time and immediately liked that person? Hi, my name is Arjel.
Hi, I am Athena. We are from the Learning and Development team of People Dynamics Incorporated.
We would like to help you be confident, firm, and strong-willed and be able to use emotional intelligence with your day-to-day dealings.
We are inviting you this November 13 and 14 and be empowered through our training entitled Stand Out, Communication Assertiveness with Enhanced Emotional Intelligence. This will be held at the Legend Villa in Mandaluyong City.
This will be facilitated by our most sought-after resource speaker, a certified Genus Emotional Intelligence practitioner and coach, Ms. Ruby Manyanak.
We only have limited slots for this program, so register now. You may contact us through 8635-0016 or visit us at www.peopledynamics.ph. See you there!